welcome to Cozy Home. This episode we are gonna see how to produce the herbs that we use in our everyday cooking, which can be grown very easily from the seeds that are available right in our kitchen. The coriander, the mint, or the fenugreek, which is also called methi, these can be produced very easily right at our home, and whenever you need, you can just pluck them off from the plant and then put in your curries, the fresh produce. So let's see how to grow them. Let's get started. There are two ways to grow these herbs, the coriander, the mint, and the fenugreek. The first one is growing from the seed. These seeds are available at our home, that is these are coriander seeds or dhania, and this is methi seeds or fenugreek. We can grow directly from these seeds, or we can also grow from these cuttings. First, let us see how to grow from these seeds. Let's start with coriander first. Starting with coriander seeds by just taking a handful of coriander, and the tip to grow these coriander from seeds is we place them, we have to split these coriander seeds first before putting them in soil. So I'm putting these coriander seeds right on some kind of plate. Maybe this is my cutting board. I'm putting these coriander seeds right here and try to add some pressure using anything else. I have a smaller cutting board here. I'm placing this right on top and press slightly. Right then you should be able to see the coriander seeds that are split enough. And in the first tray I'm gonna put these coriander seeds, just sprinkle them. Not too dense, sparsely. Maybe you can repot them once they grow into a little bigger plants. Yeah, like this. After this, I'm gonna put a little more soil on top just to cover the seeds. Not too much, just to cover the seeds. Okay. Once we are done with coriander, next take these methi seeds. We do not split or do anything with these methi seeds. Just go ahead and sprinkle them on the top of the soil. The second method of growing is growing from stems. This is really easy. When I first got these coriander from the store, all I did was just cut an inch. It already came with the roots, so all I did was cut an inch above the roots and then put these roots in water like this. So this way I just put these roots in a glass of water, and it's been like around a week, and now you can see good coriander growing in. Not a single leaf was present when I put these roots in the water. Now you could see good coriander already growing in. Now at this point I want to transfer these roots to soil. They'll grow into full grown plants. Similar is the way with mint as well. These stems that I brought from the store, I just plucked all the leaves and then put these stems in water. Now you could see every stem bearing a root. So I'll put all these into the soil, and then we will have good growing mint and coriander plants. So now, after repotting these coriander in here and then mint here and other mint leaves also in here, I have all these available here, and in my next upcoming video I'll update you how the growth is going to be, and I'll just spray water to these plants. Make sure you keep these plants in bright and indirect sunlight place so that these does not get direct sunlight and then burn themselves up. Once they have adjusted to this soil mode then, and they start to grow a little more, then I'll repot them into a little more bigger container. Then we'll have bunch of greens available with us. Friends, we have seen how easy it is to grow our own herbs at our place, and just with very little effort you will have the fresh green produce at the comfort of your home. Just give this a try and let me know in the comment section how this works out for you. Again, I am Bindu from Cozy Home, signing off. Bye bye.